Hey yo guys, your boy Prince here, long time no see. So for today, I'm going fishing. First catch of the day, fish on.
Waktu tu aku rasa dia tarik kuat je.
Oh, well, I have just exited the building. Well, I'm heading to a fishing shop in Changi. Some of you may or may not know that I'm currently in Singapore and I've been living here for half a year now due to COVID-19, and I can't go home because I'm working here. And I am lucky enough to be still working, and my company provided me accommodation. So I'm thankful for that, and life still goes on and we'll make the best out of it. And here is my baby, and I've just recently added a box to it, a 55 liter, so I can put all my stuff in it. So let's get going. Go hit my shot, man. And we have finally arrived to heaven. Oh. Look at all the rides. And I'm gonna need some weights, some hooks. Setting up. Itu yang utama dulu.
See you next trip.
Bye.
First catch of the day, fish on. Di mana kau menghilang sejak pukul 4 pagi? Tongsan satu. Tongsan ada tahu. Alalah manjanya kau. Lesen di siang hari. Jek baby. And what's up? Back to me. As you can see, I'm on a sleepy face mode because I just woke up. And we went back around, I think it was 12 or 1 p.m. yesterday. And we only had small fishes, nothing exciting. And we're gonna repeat it today. So next destination. So see you there. We have arrived. I'm not sure if you can see anything. Stuff. It's cold on the way here. Very cold. Weather looks fine. You can see the moon.
What's up, guys?
Oi.
Kambing.
Waktu tu aku rasa dia tarik kuat je.
Dia gigi jaga dia. Dia nak telan je.
Dah telan.
Kambing kau buka tepi tu. Tapi dengan sisi-sisi tapi.
Boleh play tu macam tu je. Buka baju dia kita.
Tu ni baik sia. Ada 800 gram ni. Cal, ni lu punya ikan Cal.
Okey. Tengok Cak. Itu lampu ni pasal gambar kau tengok. Sedap.
Masih ya. Ni bangkok. Yang first latih tangkap ni.
Tak.
Murali.
Bali.
Latih ni dulu.
Back at the hotel. Unlucky for me, I didn't catch any big fishes, but my friends did. They got a couple of MJs, mangrove jacks, or some call it mangrove red snappers. So I had a lot of fun fishing with my friends, and I'm gonna do it sooner or later again because I didn't catch any big fishes. And today's failure doesn't mean it's tomorrow's failure, so stay tuned. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. Your boy, Prince, out. Yo.